All right, these cinnamon maple apples in the air fryer are absolutely amazing. Stay tuned, watch me make them. All right, we're making some quick air fryer cinnamon apples. Got some maple syrup, just a little bit of maple syrup. Some ground cinnamon. Nice little stir. Set that to the side. Our apple. Ta-da! Coconut oil. I'm gonna chop up those apples. Put them in a bowl. Add our coconut oil. And air fry. All right, these apples are amazing. Mix them with our cinnamon and maple syrup. Almost like apple pie filling. Yum, yum, yum. It was absolutely amazing.